What's up guys, welcome back to Techyy Anish, and we have the Galaxy Buds 2 and today we are going to do the unboxing and a full review on it. I have been using these buds for around 2 weeks now, so I want to cover all the major points like how's the sound quality, of course it should be good, active noise cancellation, how's the calling and the gaming experience, how comfortable these earphones are, and how's the battery life. So let's unbox it. So here is our perfectly square box with the Galaxy Buds 2 branding from the front. If you look at the back, it has some features mentioned. It says it has two-way speakers for clear and rich sound. Nice. It has ANC, comfortable fit, and 5 to 20 hours of playtime. And on the other side, it says made in Vietnam. Okay, let's open it. It's a sealed pack that we are going to open. Opening this, we get this beautiful wireless charging enabled case on the top, and then we have another box which has the USB-A to USB Type-C charging cable. Really weird. They didn't give this with the phone, but they are okay to give it with the earphones. Alrighty, time to look at the case for a moment. You get this really nice pebble-like charging case which is really nice to hold, and opening this case we get our main product, and that are the earphones. They are in this space grey or graphite color as Samsung likes to call, and the interior is also matching to it. I wish the whole box and also the charging cable was of the same color. Attention to details, you know. Anyways, let's take these buds out, and as you can see, it is a stemless design unlike the AirPods, and if you look closely, they are kind of pill shaped and they slope around all the edges, giving it a very seamless look from the top. The top also has two microphones here. The tips here are silicone tips which I like a lot. Also in the box you get two more tips in small and big size. So you should choose the tip that's the most comfortable to your ears. And this graphite color guys, it looks fabulous. I know Apple has made the white color popular, but this color, man, this looks so damn good. That's all for the unboxing part. Let's wear them now and discuss the points that we mentioned earlier. Okay, so we will start with the fit, and for starters they are very light in weight, and for me the default tips that were attached are the most comfortable out of all the three tips provided. So I have done my testing with that. These are silicone tips which some people love and some people hate, but for me personally it has been a great experience. It provides that grip in my ears that you are confident that it won't fall off. I also wear it while riding my bike, and it never feels uncomfortable that it might fall off. It's very grippy. I also tried taking calls for around 30 minutes and they were comfortable there too. So overall very nice fit. Yeah, but as I said, choose the right tip according to your ear size. The app also has this option where you can check if the fit is good or not, so consider doing that check as well. Just go in the earbud fit test from the app and hit that start button. It will start measuring the level of fitness. Okay, so I've been listening a lot of songs on these earphones, and the sound quality in particular is kind of amazing on these 11.2mm drivers. The bass is really nice and you can actually hear the thump of the instruments playing in the background. You get this different equalizer modes like normal, bass boost which you will really enjoy, soft, my personal favorite dynamic mode which adapts to different tracks. I use this mode all the time. My second favorite is clear when you just want to focus on the voice of a song or anything else that you are listening. And lastly, there's also treble boost if you prefer it that way. The clarity of the sound is also something that I really like, and the loudness is also on point. Even on max volume it does not feel shrill, and I didn't feel the need of lowering the volume immediately. Yes, eventually I did lower the volume, but max volume is not a problem here, and lows, mids and highs all are very nice. Now, a part of sound quality also depends on how much your earphones are cutting off the external noise, and that's where active noise cancellation ANC kicks in. And well, ANC is the most hyped topic whenever someone goes out to buy a good pair of earphones, isn't it? So what is ANC? Well, in simple words, it blocks the external noise from entering your ears, so you can focus on the pure sound of whatever you are listening without bothering what's going on around you. And Samsung claims that these earphones can block up to 98% of that noise. Well, in my testing, I actually tested it in different scenarios. For example, one day I literally meditated in front of the screaming crows to find out how good the ANC is. I actually could still hear the crows because I was not listening to a song but doing meditation using Headspace, in which there's just a male voice playing in my ears without any music. The noise was kind of reduced to about 85 to 90%, I would say. I also took a phone call with my fan speed turned to 5. Very harsh conditions this to measure ANC for sure, but it was fabulous. I took a call standing right under it with speed 5 and it blocked about 95% of the fan sound. I could barely hear the fan sound. So the calling experience with ANC is excellent, and overall the ANC experience is very nice on these earphones. Thumbs up if you want to see a video on this smartphone. We already did a video on another smartphone that we have. I will link the video here. You can go ahead and watch it out. While listening to music, you won't hear any outside noise. Everything is crystal clear. And if you listen music with around 80% volume, chances are you won't hear anything that's outside. So music listening experience with ANC is excellent. You also get this ambient mode, turning which on at the highest level amplifies the outside sound even more. So if you want to talk with someone while listening to music, you can definitely do that here. I like this mode a lot. Another important aspect is the gaming. Now I didn't test any high-end games like PUBG, but I played casual games like Shadow Fight and Subway Surfers, and the minute split-second delay is present on this one too. So if you want something for playing games like BGMI, I would rather prefer a wired earphone. There is a delay in the lock sound too when I lock my iPhone. It's just that split second, but it is definitely noticeable. I would also like to show you the app which has different gestures and settings to use your earphones. You can single tap to play or pause, double tap to jump to next song, triple tap for previous song, and there are actually multiple options for press and hold. I have that set for changing the volume up or down, but you can set it to your voice assistant or even changing modes between ANC and ambient mode. So clearly a lot of gestures available to use and all of them works fine. One thing to note guys, you can use these earphones with iPhones, but there is no app available on iOS that can control these different modes or gestures because the dedicated Galaxy Buds app does not support the Buds 2. So if you want to use it with an iPhone, you need to first set it up with an Android phone and then preserve that settings to use it with your iPhone. All the gestures work exactly the same way like it works on Android, but you can't change or configure it on iPhones. Talking about the battery life guys, the Buds itself come with 61 mAh of battery, and in my testing, they dropped around 10% for every 30 minutes of music playback. So the claims of Samsung of around 5 hours of music playback from these Buds is true. Moreover guys, the case has 472 mAh of battery which is rated for 20 hours, and that is also true. You can also get around 25 hours if you don't use the ANC. So guys, around 20 to 25 hours of music playback is really nice for me, but it all depends on your needs. 20 to 25 hours for you can be excellent, can be meh, or can be terrible. It depends on who you are and for how long you wear your earphones every day. So even if you are a very heavy user and you wear these earbuds for 8 hours daily, then also you can get around 3 days of battery life on a single charge, which is pretty nice. And yes, talking about the charging, you can charge it with USB Type-C, or they are also capable of wireless charging. Just put it on any wireless charger or the back of your phone if your phone has reverse wireless charging. This tech is absolutely amazing and convenient at the same time. So that's been it guys for earphones costing 12,000 rupees. They better be good, and the Samsung Galaxy Buds 2 are a great pair of earphones. Moreover, I just bought it for 3,000 rupees because I bought it with a deal on the purchase of the Galaxy S22. We have already done that unboxing video, you can check it out here. But for 3,000 rupees guys, this is insane as nothing even comes close in terms of quality with the Galaxy Buds 2. So definitely a recommended product. So guys, if you want to check the Galaxy Buds 2, links are in the description. Go ahead and check it out for yourself. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel because the next video is just around the corner. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon.